Hey, I'm Sarah, Kimiko's Media Maven. In today's video, one of our furniture gurus, Tamara, will show you how to auto sort in Outlook so your inbox is less cluttered.
Do you get a lot of newsletters from all of the different furniture vendors, fabric vendors, material bank, maybe ASID or IIDA? Lots of really great information, but you're trying to keep it out of your inbox so that you can reference it as needed, but be able to get straight to work right away and have your inbox not be so overloaded with those when you first get in the morning. I think a lot of people do know about the rules where you can always move messages, but there is an easier way, especially for these newsletters when you get lots and lots of them. So you don't have rules and alerts that you have about 1 million of them in there trying to do this particular one over. And it actually takes a little bit longer for your inbox to process all of those rules when you first open your inbox in the morning. What you can do is you can go over to your contacts, and if you create a folder just under your contacts, under your inbox, right here, and what you do is you save all of those contacts in this specific folder. So every time I get a new newsletter or it ends up in my inbox, I know, hey, I need to add that email over into my newsletter emails. Fair warning, there are some companies that use a different email every week. It's somebody's name, or it's news or newsletter, then it changes to emails, and you just have to add each one of those as they kind of pop up in your inbox to get them to auto sort. But all you have to do is add them over here. It's really easy. You just double click and it'll pop up with a new contact, and you just paste that email in here and save it. That's all the information you have to put in there. You don't even really have to put a name. I do, just so I know who it's from. And then when you go over here and you go to your rules, manage rules and alerts, so you'll see how I have mine set up. Newsletter emails. When you set it up, it says sender is in newsletter emails address book. On this computer only, move it to the newsletter folder. And if you add a new one and you want it to run through your inbox, you can click run rules now and tell it to run that one, and it will automatically do it. This is one that was pretty bad about adding a different email address it was coming from each time. So it was just any email from them had to be set up separately. They're still good newsletters. I still wanted to get them. I just needed them out of my inbox. So when you're setting up a new rule, you can see move messages from someone to a particular folder. This is if you have a very specific one. I have configure and CET emails go to their own separate folder. So I have those set up that way. And then you can do your specific words. You have all of these set up. And then you can do down here when you're editing these, where you click on it, people or specific group. You can go to your address book, and it is a newsletter emails. That is not what I needed. Hold on. Okay, you're going to start with apply rule on messages I receive. You're going to start from the blank rule. You're going to go next. You go from is the address. Sender is in a specified address book. You can use specified. I can say newsletter emails. Address book. You go next. And you move it to a specified folder. You can go in here and I click newsletters and you hit OK. And then you go next. This is if you want to make any exceptions, specific words or anything like that. Most of the time with these newsletter emails, I don't find anything gets sorted in there that I don't want. And so you set up your name and you can run the rule and then you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial was helpful. For more furniture fun, head over to our tips and tricks playlist. And don't forget to subscribe below and comment and let us know what else you'd like us to cover. See you in the next one.